to hit almost $6,000.
That's what I woke up to Friday morning.
$5,950.
Creator fund. This is how much money that I made from it in one day.
79. Day number 2, September 11th.
$1,776. $3,769.
Within a month, 14,000.
Last November, $4,235.15.
A program worth it? My answer is yes.
Pretty good, huh? I've been in it for 20 days and I've already made
$2,500.
This is how much I've made.
What if I told you that if you filmed a 15-second video where you're not doing anything outrageous or anything you're not a fan of, you don't say a single thing, put some words on the screen, and then take this video and upload it onto an app, and I will pay you $13,734 for what probably took you 10 minutes of work to create? You would call me crazy and you would tell me that is not possible. That is what I would have thought as well before seeing this real-life example of someone who's done exactly just that as a TikTok shop affiliate. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. And by the way, I'm using Shop Plus, which I've got linked in the description. You can try it out as well if you would like to have a similar view and be able to spy on TikTok shop affiliates that are absolutely crushing it at the moment from all around the world. We're focusing on the USA currently. So the case study that I'm talking about is a creator that's promoting this product that's currently ranked as #1 on the website as the product that's currently selling the most in the USA. It's the Golai, I don't know how it's pronounced, ashwagandha vitamin D gummies. So what I've done is I've clicked on this product page and I've gone on to relevant videos, which is where I like to go to check out what other creators are doing, what videos they're making, and this is ranked from top to bottom in terms of who is selling the most, who is performing the most, and making the most commission for this particular product. Now, the example that we're going to be talking about here is this particular creator. As you can see, they generated $68,670, and the video was only uploaded on the 8th of August 2024, so just over 4 weeks ago. It's 15 seconds long and they literally do not say or do much at all on this video, yet they generated this much in revenue. This product pays out 20% commission for every single sale. Every one of these vitamin D gummies that people buy from your page, you will get paid 20% commission as a TikTok shop affiliate, which means this creator received 20% of this amount, which works out at $13,734 in commission. This is what went to them, to their bank account, okay, for all the work they put in creating this video. Now let's take a look at this video so you can see how difficult and how complex it was for them to create this $13,734 video. So I'm just going to click on here and we are going to press play on the video. It's already playing. Now, spoiler alert, there is no audio on the video, okay? You cannot hear them. All they have is just some text on the screen. All they have is just a description at the bottom of the video, and they show themselves using the ashwagandha gummies. That is literally it. No editing, nothing over the top, literally just them. And it looks like this is a video they may have re-uploaded as well, by the way, because it's got the TikTok watermark on there, which is just absolutely nuts. Video went viral. This is the page on TikTok. They got 1.3 million views on the video, which then equaled to this amount of sales that they've got on here. What would you do with an extra $13,734 right now for literally 10 minutes worth of work? Now, crazy part is, even to get this product that they are promoting on here, at worst, they would have had to pay $13 or thereabouts to buy it from somewhere like Amazon so they can have it in their hands. They could have already had it in their house, you know, it's something that they use regularly themselves, or they could have just asked the shop to send them the product completely free of charge as a sample that they can then create videos and make sales for. So it wasn't difficult to even get the products in hand, and really the ingredients that you need for this is consistency, 1, and 2, having the product in hand, and 3, just being able to have some kind of mobile device with a camera, which literally everybody does nowadays that uses the internet, and being able to film the video, and that's literally it. Now, crazy thing, and the benefits of being a TikTok shop affiliate as well, which I'm gonna quickly run through. And if you are someone that's new to TikTok shop affiliate, feel free to jump in the description after this video. I've got a free starter course that you can check out, which goes in deeply into exactly what TikTok shop affiliate is, how you can get started, so forth. I've also got a free course here on YouTube that walks you through the basics as well, which you can check out. But the crazy thing about being a TikTok shop affiliate, if you're from somewhere that qualifies, you don't need a big account in order to make money. As you can see, these accounts are of varying sizes. This one is 46,000 followers here. This one is 992 followers in the USA. For the people that say if you've got less than 5,000 followers, you cannot become a TikTok shop affiliate, this guy's got got 992 and he generated $302,410 with this 27-second video. Granted, it is an ad, so the shop will have jumped in at some point and pushed it through paying for ads, but still they would have had to be a TikTok shop affiliate already. So 5.3k followers, 69k followers, 73k followers. As you can see, it doesn't matter how many followers you've got, as long as you've got the minimum that's required for you to qualify to become a TikTok shop affiliate. Barrier to entry is very low for that reason. You don't need to consistently go viral. As you can see here, there is this creator. They don't constantly go viral on their videos. Some are 27k, 2k, 4k, 1k, 1.8k there, and not all your videos have to constantly keep going viral, yet you can still continue to make money in this manner. Like all these other creators here, you'll see exactly the same thing. If we randomly just click on this one here, for example, if we go into her profile, she's not consistently and constantly going viral as well. I can guarantee you that. Just a decent amount of views. Some are getting hundreds. In fact, quite a lot of hers are getting hundreds, some a few thousands here and there. The good thing about TikTok shop affiliate is you make money even on videos that are below 1,000 views. All you need is just one person to watch and buy the product, and every view is an opportunity for someone to buy the product. Going viral is just an added bonus to that, but from the very first view that you get on a video that's got a link to it, every person could be someone that buys that product and gives you that commission. In addition to that, TikTok is obviously a very well-known brand, and therefore, if you are a TikTok shop affiliate, you're not an affiliate for some dodgy company out there. Granted, there are some shops that you might want to watch out for, but TikTok themselves are obviously a known brand. And of course, you've got numerous examples as well of other people that are already doing this. So you're not starting something that's never been done before. You've got loads of other people that are already on TikTok shop, that are already case studies of success, that are already earning the amount of money that you want to earn as well. So I mean, those are just some of the high level benefits of being a TikTok shop affiliate that I wanted to highlight in this video. But yeah, crazy case study here. $13,734, and for a video that it probably took them 10 minutes to create as a TikTok shop affiliate